335 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds, and a range over 350 miles for less than what most people pay for a base Model Y. This electric coupe breaks every rule about what performance electric vehicles should cost. Most electric vehicles with this kind of power make you choose fast charging or long range, sporty looks or actual space, performance or comfort. The Enyaq Coupe RS says no to all of that. Here's the thing nobody talks about. This thing charges from 10 to 80% in 26 minutes. That's faster than a Mustang Mach-E, faster than most electric vehicles twice its price. But here's where it gets weird. It also gets over 350 miles of range. Not the fake number on the sticker, the actual driving range that works in the real world. 0.239 drag coefficient. That's lower than most sedans, lower than the regular Enyaq, lower than almost anything that looks this aggressive. And that number matters because it's why this thing can be quick and go far. The dual motors put down 250 kilowatts through all four wheels. You tap the throttle and it launches like something just shoved you from behind. 5.4 seconds to 60. That's sports car territory. That's embarrass a gas-powered muscle car at a stoplight territory. But the acceleration isn't the surprising part. The surprising part is how it feels planted when you're carving through corners. The Sport chassis drops the front 15 millimeters and the rear 10 millimeters compared to the regular version. Progressive steering, adaptive dampers, sports tires, it grips like it's glued to the road. Most performance electric vehicles feel clinical, smooth, silent, a little soulless. This one has a pulse. The steering wheel fights back when you push it. The regenerative braking feels natural, not like a video game. The throttle response is instant but not violent. Wait until you see the interior. Two options. RS Lounge with microfiber and lime green stitching that screams performance, or RS Suite with leather and gray accents for people who want to look fast without announcing it. Both come with sports seats that hug you like a racing bucket, heated steering wheel, massage function in the driver's seat, 13-inch touchscreen, augmented reality head-up display, wireless charging, over-the-air updates. But here's the part that actually matters. 570 liters of cargo space with the seats up, 1,610 liters with them folded. That's more space than most crossovers. More space than vehicles that cost $20,000 more. You get matrix LED headlights that adapt to traffic. You get bidirectional charging so your car becomes a backup power source for your house. You get Travel Assist 2.6 that handles stop-and-go traffic and lane changes. This isn't just fast, it's actually usable. Most people see Skoda and think budget. They think compromise. This thing has ventilated seats, panoramic roof, adaptive cruise control, and a 12-speaker sound system. For less than a base Tesla Model Y, that's the part that makes no sense. 335 horsepower, 5.4 seconds 0 to 60. 353-mile range, fast charging, all-wheel drive, actual cargo space. All of it for a price that undercuts almost everything in this segment. So yeah, the Enyaq Coupe RS breaks the rules. It's quick, practical, loaded with tech, and doesn't make you choose between performance and range. And speaking of rule breakers, next time we're diving into something even more unexpected. An electric vehicle that somehow makes luxury brands nervous at half their price. You'll want to see that. Let me know in the comments if this changes your mind about performance electric vehicles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.